Hello! Welcome to Abby Online Teach. Today we are going to be learning another new sound. It is a digraph, which means there are two letters, and when you see them next to each other, they make just one sound. And the letters today are O and A, or you might know them as O and A. So when you see these two letters right next to each other, they make the sound O. Are you ready to practice? My turn, your turn. O. 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 And in a whisper voice, O. O. And in a silly voice, O. O. Well done! Can you think of any words with the O sound in? What about something we have for our breakfast? In cereals and porridge, we have lots of oats. Let's try sounding out the word oat. Oat, oat. Your turn. Oat, oat. Fantastic! The next word is something we wear when it's cold or raining outside. When it is raining, we have to wear a coat. Coat, coat. Your turn. Coat, coat. Well done, and I think I might have to take this coat off now. Can you think of any other words with the O sound in? What about the name of an animal? It lives on a farm and it makes the sound. That's right, a goat. Goat, goat. Your turn. Goat, goat. Brilliant! Now the next word is something that we travel on when we go over the sea. It floats and it is called a boat. Boat, boat. Your turn. Boat, boat. Awesome! Now the last word is something that a boat does. When we go on a boat, it doesn't sink, it floats. Float, float. Your turn. Float, float. I am so impressed with your sounds today. You have now learnt the O sound. Keep practicing this sound until you feel really confident, and then you can go on to learn all of the other sounds. Subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss our next sound, and also give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you for watching. Bye!